Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily swap batteries in Xiaomi wireless keyboard and mouse combo. So first, take your mouse and now take off the back part. In here, we have a battery that's dead and we don't want it anymore, so we simply take it off and take a new one. Now, make sure that here is a minus and here is a plus. After we put it here, simply put the cover back and your mouse is done. Now we need to turn around the keyboard and take off this part. Here we have a battery and we need to take it off. After we do that, simply take a new one and place it with minus being here and plus being here. And now put back the cover. And that's it. You got new batteries installed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.